Hello everyone, I'm Akshay and welcome back to the United Talk. Finally, it feels so good to say that out loud. I mean, I've been dying to say that for the past few months, and finally I'm back. And what a sad day to be a Manchester United fan. Around the globe, anyone who's a Man United fan won't be able to sleep because Man City are gonna win this league again. I mean, I don't want to talk about Man City. I don't want to talk about anything else. But Arsenal, man, these people, these players. I mean, we have pathetic players in our teams. I get that. I understand that. But Arsenal, they are the biggest chokers I've ever seen in my entire life. I mean, they probably would choke on their mother's breast milk. I mean, seriously. I mean, these players had this league in their own hands, and they once again bottled it. And as far as Man United is concerned, honestly, if I had a chance, मैं एक एक को गोली मार देता. I literally would have killed them all. Like from the owners, the management, the staff, the players, the manager, every single one of them is a piece of shit, and they don't even deserve to be there. And I literally, but you know what? I'm just a fan. I can't do anything else rather than I can piss on their welcome mat, and for even that I'll be needing a visa and a return tickets, that too funded because I don't have that kind of money. But anyways, moving on, today's a match day. Probably we're gonna get our asses kicked. I don't know whether Fernandes is fit or Rashford is still recovering from that knock. I really don't have any idea about how we have landed up in this situation. I mean, we knew that Eric Ten Hag was one of the best choices at that moment. We thought that he's gonna be the one. I myself said this out loud on my YouTube channel that I believe in Eric Ten Hag. But right now, what I'm seeing, I think the man is out of his depth. I think Solskjaer would have been a better coach rather than what he's doing at our club right now. The players clearly are not living up to their full potential. The injury crisis. I mean, God, so many injury crises. So many players are still injured, and I don't know what the medical team is doing. And just take a look at this clip. What I'm about to show you. Just take a look at this clip.
Appearing in the stadium.
So now you realize what the Glazers have actually done to this club. What the Glazers have done to our club. They have been profiteering for so long. They drained us of all the money and they pocketed it, and now they are running away. And this man right behind me, Ronaldo, everyone you was slashing him, everyone was blaming him that he shouldn't have said things like that. उसको ऐसे नहीं बात करना चाहिए था, उसको वैसे नहीं बात करना चाहिए था. He should have been the supporter of the club. He should have listened to the manager. Now this is what he was talking about. The stadium is actually turned into a ruin. It was supposed to be theater of dreams, and now it's just an archaeological probably site. I mean, seriously, just look at the club. Look at the dressing room. Look at the. I don't know what to say. I'm actually blank right now. I've been doing this after so long, but still, I'm out of words. I don't know what to say. I mean, Manchester United, the football club, the most loved club around the world. We have the biggest fan base. We have the biggest profit side, and still, what has actually happened to Old Trafford? I'm just sad right now. I'm just sad right now. Nothing more to add on. I really don't want to. I just wanted to announce that I'm back. I'm really happy doing this. I was so stuck with the other things, but right now I'm just happy to announce that yes, I'm back, and yes, we'll be doing the match review tonight, and let's hope that at least we can salvage a draw. I really don't want to lose again. I really don't want to lose. We lost to Palace, then we lost to Arsenal's. I really don't want to lose. I just that these players finally can give us a moment of happiness. That's all. That's all we are asking. That's all we are asking, man. Under 18 won their Premier League. Under 21 won their Premier League. The women's of Man United won their Premier League, but the men's football team is actually shit right now. But anyways, logging off. It's great to be back. We'll be doing many more interviews. I'll be doing many more things to probably engage you all. And until then, please take care of yourselves. Stay healthy. Stay fit. And please keep supporting Man United and the United Talk. I really need your support, guys. So, bye bye.